The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
This is Dr. Dayton Campbell, General Secretary of the People's National Party. As a medical doctor, I must speak plainly. What's happening at the Kingston Public Hospital is a public health emergency. 18 out of 20 areas tested at KPH showed dangerously high levels of mold on walls, ceilings, and even in the air patients and staff are breathing. Operating theaters have been shut down, surgeries delayed, and both healthcare workers and patients are being forced to operate in a facility that poses serious health risk. Let me be clear. Mold like this can trigger asthma, cause infections, and severely impact those who are already vulnerable. This is not just a building issue. It is a life issue. It's a leadership issue. How can the government stay silent when Jamaica's largest public hospital is literally falling apart? The People's National Party is calling for immediate action, full remediation of all affected areas, a national hospital audit, and a proper plan to protect the people who protect us, our doctors, nurses, and also the patients. We also demand answers. Who knew and why was nothing done? This is about lives, and the time for excuses is over. We stand with Dr. Alfred Dawes in demanding accountability and urgent action. Jamaica deserves better.
That show the molds, growth in the ceilings, and there are some pictures that show what is known as a petri dish, those round dishes that actually show the different colonies of the mold. And you can see that these are visual depictions of high levels of phosphorus in the areas that were swamped. And the averages are way out of what would have been expected. Patients cannot be seen and treated in these areas. There are a lot of issues that come with mold inhalation, and the staff are at serious risk. And anyone who has worked at Cornwall Regional can tell you that working in a mold-infested environment does cause respiratory problems. You just feel sick all the time, and it may aggravate some chronic diseases. So we're putting patients and staff at risk while this cover-up is going on. Remember that this was a report that was handed over to the team at the Ministry of Health from as far back as November last year. I say all of this to say simply that the current administration cannot be trusted any longer to manage the affairs of the Jamaicans and their healthcare system.
Family, look at our hospital. We are no hogs and goats. If this building was in the United States, whether it be a hospital, a farmhouse, or your job, they would have closed it down. Now Dr. Dawes came out with his receipt. So people, after Dr. Dawes came out with his press conference, this brother right here on the screen did a piece in the Observer. I'm named Dr. Thompson. It seems like he's a political hack who is too lazy, who the people don't mean much to him for him to go down by the hospital and do a research himself. Lazily come out here and try to debunk Dr. Dawes, who did his research and have his receipt. Show all of us. Now this brother here go by hearsay. He tell me say somebody tell him something. He's going by hearsay. Think about that, people. A big old doctor who is supposed to, a man who's supposed to care about Jamaican people or care about people's health, period. He's so lazy that he could take a trip to the hospital and come show me some receipt. But Dr. Dawes, who come with his receipt, he want to debunk it. Now, Dr. Thompson said he has been reliably informed. So somebody tell you, I hear say you go by. So you go talk to Dr. Dawes. Man go sit down and hold couple seat. Now who is politicizing this whole thing, Doc? You! Because your blood are boil, you couldn't even go down there, go see for yourself and come up with your own receipt. This is laziness. You don't care nothing about the Jamaican people. It seems as if this is just politics for you. What kind of doctor are you? A political hack? I hear say you go by. And Dr. Dawes went and showed us images, pictures. What are you showing? Just your lips? Man, go have a cup of tea, please. It seems as if you're a political hack. This is disgusting. Stop politicizing healthcare. Everybody need healthcare in Jamaica. Not just PNP or Labour right. We all sick. Everybody. Stop it. My name is Jamaican Carlos. I'm out.